Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, give it all.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my natural go-to makeup look that I love to wear when we go out, date night, events, whatever it may be. This is like my go-to look. So I'm really excited to show you guys my step-by-step routine and show you guys all the products that I use to achieve this look. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. But if you're new here, join the family. Hit the subscribe button down below. My name is Dr. Becca and I'm a chiropractor in the DFW area. And I love to show you guys everything behind the scenes. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. So the first product I'm applying is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Face Primer. This primer is so good. I love it because the application is just so nice. Makes your skin feel so nice and smooth, but also super glowy. I love wearing this under my foundation. So I'm actually applying another primer, and this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I love using this one as well, right in my T-zone, because it really helps blur any pores and also helps keep that area super matte and oil-free. So it makes my makeup last all day long, and I definitely can't skip this part because I have to say I do get oily in those areas. Before I apply my foundation, I like to go and just cover up any blemishes if I have any redness, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-purpose concealer. If you don't have this in your makeup collection, you are missing out. It's definitely multi-purpose. I actually try and use this as a foundation sometimes, and concealer, so it's pretty much an all-in-one, and I absolutely love this product. So let's go right into foundation. I am using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. This is the best drugstore foundation I have ever tried. And I've tried a lot, and this has always been my go-to. I've been using this product for years now, and I absolutely love it. So if you pick up any product from this video, this one is a must. I'm blending this all over my face, and I'm actually making sure to get my under eyes and eyelids just to cover up some of that redness, and just to get some extra coverage before we go in with concealer. I love how this applies. It lasts all day long. The quality is amazing. It will keep you nice and oil-free all day as well. The coverage is medium to full, and it's very buildable. So this is a must. To conceal my eyes, I'm going in first with the Fenty concealer. This one has a peachy undertone, which I purposely purchased because I like to use this to color correct under my eyes. If you can see, I have quite a bit of redness and a little bit of darkness, so this one does a really good job at covering all that up. Also, don't mind my nail. I know it's pretty distracting. It was distracting for me doing this voiceover. I was so mad. I had just got them done a few days ago and the middle finger fell off, so please don't mind that. So going in and doing some cream contour, and I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Yes, this is a concealer, but I use a deeper shade to contour, and I love this product so much. I actually do have the concealer as well that I use underneath my eyes, but I have been obsessed with this shade to contour. So if you're looking for a really good contour that's really blendable, this one's really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this all out, and to blend out my contour today, I am using the IT Cosmetics foundation brush. So for concealer today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is definitely something that a lot of people love and a staple in their makeup routine, but I'm using a little bit of a lighter shade than I did previously just to brighten up my under eye. And I'm pretty much putting it in all the areas that I want to highlight my face, so my chin, above my lip, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm just using that same e.l.f. sponge and just blending this all out. For liquid blush today, I'm going in with the NARS Liquid Blush in the shade Orgasm. I love using this blush. It's so pretty, natural, and it actually has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it gives you that nice glow. So if you're looking for a liquid blush or you haven't tried a liquid blush before, you definitely have to try this NARS product. To set my face, I'm using the Givenchy loose setting powder. This stuff is so expensive, but honestly so worth it. I don't think I've found a better loose setting powder yet. Of course, there are really good drugstore brands, but I really do love this one. It does a great job at setting my face and keeping my face nice and matte all day long. It does have a little bit of a glow, but not too much, so it just gives you a nice overall filtered effect. So I'm just going to take my brush and I put a little bit of the loose powder on it. And I'm just kind of going in and setting my whole face, down my neck, just to make sure that everything stays put and doesn't budge. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I love this palette because it's definitely an all-in-one. It has your blush, your highlighter, and your bronzer. So I'm just going in with both blush colors and mix them together and applying them on the apples of my cheek, my forehead, and my chin. And then I'm going in with the bronzer, and I'm going in and putting in all the places that I want to bronze and contour my face, and just setting that contour that we had initially put on. Using that same bronzer shade from the palette, I'm just going ahead and I'm actually using this as an eyeshadow as well. I like to do this just to give my eyes a little bit more shape and a lift, but also contour my eyes. So this is a really nice and easy natural look that you can do if you don't want to put too much effort into it. For eyeliner today, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Matte Signature Liquid Dip Eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Black. I'm just doing a nice thin band along my lash line, just so that we have an area to put the falsies on, but also to give my eye a little bit more of a glam without doing too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my eyelashes for falsies. I'm curling them and then I'm actually applying some Essence mascara. This mascara is so affordable and so good. It really does compare to some of my higher end mascaras. So if you're in the market for a affordable mascara, definitely get the Essence one. For falsies today, I'm going in with the brand called Kiss, and these are in the style number 11. I love these ones. They have been my go-to lately. I've tried several brands, and I always go back to these ones. So for lip liner, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetic lip liner in the shade Brown. I've been using this one for forever. It's my go-to, especially when I do a nude lip. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Tease. It is the perfect nude color. So if you're looking for a nude lipstick, you need to pick up this Milani one. It is so good. So next I'm going in and doing my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is the first time I use this product. I actually just purchased this right before filming this tutorial. So this is me trying it for the first time, and I was actually very impressed with it. It did a really good job at holding everything together and holding my hairs in place. And then next I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics brow pencil, and this one's in the shade Espresso. This one's a perfect shade for me, and I just actually go in and fill in any sparse areas, any empty spaces in my brows. For highlighter today, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Cream Highlighter Stick, and this one is in the shade Champagne Pearl. I love this highlighter. It has such a creamy formula, and it has such a really nice radiant glow to it. So I love using this everywhere on my cheeks, on my eyes, eyebrow, nose, and chin. Okay, so to finish off this makeup look, I'm going in with some eyeliner in my waterline, and today I'm using a nude color. This one is from the Sephora collection. I forget the name of the shade, but I will definitely link it down below for you guys. So that completes my go-to makeup look. I loved how this turned out. If you liked it too, be sure to leave me a thumbs up down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.